So, hello guys, we have Abhishek with us, and again, today is the giveaway of his books that we had actually promised in our previous podcast. So, Abhishek, hi once again. Thank you for giving your time. I know you're a busy guy. So, anything you want to say to the viewers before we start?
Yeah, it's always nice to be here, and it's like talking to you. So it's fun, and you told me that three more than 350 people commented, and now you have a plan to select out the comments.
Yes.
So let's do that and select a few winners.
So, guys, yes, as said that in the previous podcast, it was amazing by Abhishek, and many people wanted to have a bigger podcast. They were telling that you and Abhishek give a bigger podcast by solving some of the problem statements. So, yes, Abhishek, you're right. More than 350 comments has been come into the previous video. Now, what we'll try to do is that we'll try to pick them up randomly because there are many comments as such. So, there are some rules that I've actually suggested before picking up the comments is that if the person has actually put up the email id, then only we'll be selecting them, so that it will be also easy for you to give them that particular books itself, right, through the mail
Right.
id. So,
Yeah.
and if the repeated comments comes, we are also not going to select them multiple number of times, so we'll be going with respect to that. So now going ahead, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to share my screen with you, and then we'll randomly be selecting all the comments as such from that particular website, which I'll choose showing in front of you itself. So let's go ahead.
Sure.
So I hope you are able to see my screen, Abhishek.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
I
perfect.
can.
Yeah, so perfect, guys. So here it is, and now we will be randomly selecting. Before that, I will be going to our YouTube video and taking up the URL. If you don't believe me, over here, Abhishek, you can see more than 340 comments are there. You can see it was so many people had actually commented. I've liked them. So this is the craze around your side, like how people like you and love you. So you're going to
Yeah,
do this.
their kindness.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, Abhishek, first of all, I'm just going to put this URL over here. You can see over here, right? Now, after
Sure.
this, I will just filter out the comments saying that who has written at the rate. So in the email ID,
Mm-hmm.
there will be at the rate, right?
Yeah.
Some or the
Yeah.
other way. So by that, it will be filtering those comments based on the specific text. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select on get YouTube comments. And remember, I have filtered the duplicate users also. Okay. So here you can see how many unique commenters are there. 130. That is basically with specific email IDs. They have actually given.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down, and I would like to just click on the start. Then automatically the people will get selected. So should I start?
Okay.
Yes. I think we can
Yeah. Let's
start with
go.
the drum bell. We say, right? Hop, 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 hop. Something like that. Okay, let me
Let's
just click
start.
on the first. So the first winner for the book of Abhishek Thakur is, and here it goes. Okay, so first winner goes to Arjun Dev. He has not written a big comment, but at least he's given the email ID, which was pretty much important. So the lucky
The
guy,
minimum requirement.
I'll just copy this and I will paste it in my notepad so that I'll give it to you. So here is the first
Yeah, yeah.
winner, right? So Arjun Dev, congratulations. Yeah, you could have written a bigger comment itself. At least Abhishek could have seen and understood that what you have written. You just written the just the email ID itself. So fine. So he's the first winner. So the first book goes to him, and let me pick up the another winner now. Okay. So again, I'm going to click it, and I'll start it again. Oh, let's see. Okay, now you can actually read out the comment, Abhishek. It's a
Okay, so
You can
this
see
is a
this.
very nice comment actually. Yeah, thank you very much, and I think it's all made possible because of Krish. So yeah, thank you very much, and congrats for the book.
Okay, so the second winner goes to Ananya Srivastav. So honestly, this was one of the few podcasts I could have watched without getting bored at all. Okay, it's amazing. I have seen like people skip the podcast, just by seeing them. And probably the
True,
first
true.
educational podcast. I have been ML enthusiast for some time now and have been giving it a lot of times in this lockdown. My dad is now all interested in knowing what ML is because I talk to him about it regularly. This is interesting, right? My dad also does a lot of things. He posts some articles to me. He shares some article to me, regarding ML, and he's
True.
actually learned a lot of things from my videos itself. So I'm definitely
That's very
going to
nice.
read your book, and might even ask my dad to give it a try. Okay, amazing. So Ananya's father is also going to read that particular book. So what do you want to say,
Thanks, Anand.
Abhishek?
Thank you very much. And I hope you like the book, and we will get in touch very soon.
Sure. So I'm just going to give this as the second giveaway now. Okay.
Awesome.
Perfect. Now, shall we go with another pick? Another one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the count of three. One, two, three. So the next winner is. This is amazing, right? The UI part.
Nice. Yeah.
So the next winner goes to Chandan Singh Negi. Abhishek, you can read it for yourself.
Okay. So Chandan Singh Negi says, waiting for this book, and I think it will become one of the best machine learning books in the market soon. Congrats, Abhishek, and for the wonderful book, and Krish, sir. So
Perfect.
thank you very much, and I hope it meets your expectations. And congrats to you too.
But Abhishek, I think there's one problem over here. The email ID is not
Sure.
there.
Oh, I don't know why I know this person, Chandan Singh Negi.
Would you want to try and give it to him if possible? I'll
What
just
should
write down
we
his
do?
name. You know
Let's
him?
let's do this. Let's do this. He has to comment on this video within 24 hours with his email to get the book.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to write the third name is Chandan Singh Negi. So I think he's a lucky guy. Otherwise, I was about to skip him. But you managed, you managed to tell him that no need to skip. I
Yeah,
will give
yeah,
him a chance. So that's amazing. Okay,
yeah. Let's do
now we will go for the another winner. So now two more
it. Yeah,
are remaining, and finally sixth book will be mine, right?
yeah,
Abhishek,
yeah.
you
Definitely.
can't do this to me, okay?
The first one is yours, man.
Okay, so let's go and pick up the another winner, and here we go. So it is going to come. Okay, perfect. The next winner goes to Deepak Kanan. You're taking on using auto ML in Kaggle competition. So this is a question to you, Abhishek.
Yeah, I mean, it totally depends. And AutoML is doing quite good. It's good for a start, but after that, you have to do a lot of work to improve on AutoML solutions.
Okay. Okay. So cool. Deepak Kanan, congratulations again. You are the fourth winner. As
Hmm.
And yes, try using AutoML. I would suggest there are a lot of open source libraries that have come up. Yes, they are giving some good results. So
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
I'm just going to write it as the fourth winner over here. Okay. Now, final one.
The
So
last one.
final, yeah, the last book, and we are going to pick. Let's start. Oh, this is big. And the good thing about this is, the first is email ID. Then he has written all the comments, right?
Yeah, nice.
Okay, Abhishek, you can go and answer his question.
Let's
If he
see.
has asked him.
So he's saying that this gentleman and his background have inspired me in the development of my career. Well, thank you very much if you think so. Um, from being a developer, I moved on to learning machine learning by dint of perseverance and thanks to the video resources he publishes on his YouTube account. I think it's also true for you, Krish. I have become a true enthusiast of machine learning. Winning a machine learning competition would be great accomplishment for me, especially if I follow the advice of this book. Okay, and he says thank you, and okay, yeah, thank you very much, Alvika. And I don't know if this book is going to uh, win Kaggle competition, but I hope it's really helpful and you can use it in a way that you can win Kaggle competitions yourself, and you can get some knowledge from this book. And congrats to you too.
So congratulations, Alvika. Again, I'm just going to take your email ID and all this information will be passed to Abhishek. Uh, yes. So the fifth book goes to, and sixth is obviously Krish, right? I'm going to write my name.
You should put it on your own first.
So congratulations, guys. This was amazing. Everybody, congratulations. And again, the link of Abhishek book from Amazon.in or any other URL of Amazon will be available in the comment description of this particular video. And thank you, Abhishek, for this wonderful opportunity again. For the people who really wants to use your book in a better way. And thank you for the giveaway itself. Anything that you want to share or tell everyone, you can
Um,
definitely go
I
ahead.
just want to thank you one more time for letting me be here, and it was a nice podcast. I watched it again, and yeah, it was quite good, and my friends also liked it. Um, One more thing about the people who have won the book, I will contact you within 24 hours of when the video is published. Within 24 hours of that, and Chandan Singh Negi, who doesn't have his email in the comment, he should write a comment with email, and he will get the book.
So he
Else
has
we
24
pick someone.
hours actually to say that.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
let's see
yeah.
how quickly he gives that. But it was
True.
amazing, Abhishek. And again, probably we can plan for further collaboration where you can actually implement some projects from your book, live in front of
Yeah,
everyone. That would have been
let's do
amazing.
that. Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be amazing. Yes,
So
definitely.
if that way you explain one or two examples, I think that would be a wonderful one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So thank you, Abhishek. And again, thanks a lot. We'll be collaborating further. Any final things you want to say to the viewers, everything about your book, anything as you go ahead?
Uh, Not really. I mean, I thank everyone, and I hope the book meets your expectation. And I'm looking forward for maybe coming on this channel again.
Yes, perfect. Definitely. Anytime you just have to ping me or call me. I'm
Sure,
ready for
yeah.
that. Anytime. Okay. So thank you guys. Yes, this was all about this particular video. And yes, we'll see you all in the next video, upcoming video, where I'll be again collaborating with Abhishek to solve some live use cases. So yes, this was all about this particular video. Thank you. And yes, please do subscribe the channel. Please do subscribe Abhishek's channel. All the information will be given in the description of this particular video. So thank you one and all. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.